In this video, I'm going to show you how to use discussions in user stories. First, click on the Home perspective, and then select the project for which you'd like to create a discussion. Then click the Planning Perspective button and select the Breakdown view. For this exercise, we're going to create a new user story called System B. We'll leave the details set to their default values. Now, to start a discussion about this story, we'll click the Discussions button over on the right edge of the Story Editor window. Click the New Topic button and type a title, and then type the text of the discussion. Then click the At button to select the recipient of the discussion. In this case, we'll select Administrator, and then press OK to send. At this point, after the recipient receives the discussion, he or she can choose to either agree or disagree and continue the discussion, or they can choose to accept or reject and end the discussion. And that's how you create a discussion in Rhythm. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.